CNDLM Q3 FY26 results, revenue dips 31% in a tough quarter. CNDLM has released its financial results for the third quarter of FY26, reflecting a period of consolidation and temporary top-line softness. The company reported revenue from operations of 303.3 crore rupees, which represents a 31.7% year-on-year decline compared to the 444 crore rupee reported in the same quarter last year. This sharp dip was largely anticipated by the street following the conclusion of several large-scale defense orders in previous quarters. The reported revenue came in lower than the average brokerage estimate, which was expecting a figure closer to 350 crore rupees, as the ramp-up of new international orders is still in the early stages. On the profitability front, the company reported a normalized EBITDA of 30.94 crore rupees. Despite the significant drop in revenue, the company managed to show resilience in its margins due to a more favorable product mix. While the absolute EBITDA declined compared to the previous year, the operational performance remained stable on a sequential basis. Most analysts had been modeling for EBITDA in the range of 32 rupees minus 34 crore, meaning the actual performance was a minor miss at the operational level but showcased effective cost management during a low volume quarter. The net profit, PAT, for the quarter stood at 11 crore rupees, reflecting the impact of lower revenue absorption and fixed operating costs. This is a significant decrease from the high-growth quarter seen in early FY25. However, it is important to note that the company's transition toward build-to-spec and high-complexity aerospace projects is expected to provide better margin protection in the long run. Brokerages like Motilal Oswal had previously highlighted that Q3 would likely be a soft quarter for the company before a projected recovery starting from the final quarter of the fiscal year. The order book remains a critical silver lining for CNDLM. Even with the muted revenue recognition this quarter, the company's total order backlog remains robust at over 2,100 crore rupees. The management has maintained its focus on expanding its footprint in the medical and industrial sectors to reduce its heavy reliance on lumpy defense contracts. This diversification is expected to lead to more consistent quarterly performance as we move into FY27. In conclusion, CNDLM's Q3 FY26 results reflect a bridge quarter where the company is moving between old contract completions and new project initiations. While the 31% revenue drop might look stark, the underlying operational health and order intake remain healthy. Most brokerages are likely to maintain a wait and watch or accumulate stance, looking for a meaningful revenue revival in Q4. For long-term investors, the focus will remain on the company's ability to maintain its 10% Core EBITDA margin guidance as volumes scale back up in the coming year. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.